To use the past tense correctly, we need more than just verbs. We also need time expressions. Let's look at some time words. In the example, Bob was here yesterday. Bob is the subject. Was is the verb. But yesterday tells us when. Here are some words that talk about the past. Yesterday, yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, or last night. In this example, Bob is still the subject, was is the verb, but last night tells us when. So you can say Bob was here last night, last week, last month, last year, last summer, last Monday, last October, last Christmas. Basically, last and then a word means the past. In this example, Bob is still the subject, was is still the verb, but now a year ago says when. We can use a year ago, 5 minutes ago, 2 hours ago, 5 days ago, a month ago, a year ago, 3 years ago, a century ago. You can use all of these to talk about the past with this word ago. It's basically time, then the word ago. Let's look at 4 more time words. In, on, from, to, and for. But when do we use them? When? We use in to talk about months or years. I went on a trip in August. He moved to Germany in 2009. We use them for months and years. We use on to talk about dates and days. The sale started on July 3rd. The sale ended on July 1st. So we use on to talk about dates and days. We use from to talk about a period of time. For example, I was in Kansas from December to January. From December to January. Or it could be from Monday to Thursday, or from 1996 to 2004, etc. And last, we have for. For is also used for a period of time. For example, I was in Kansas for 2 months, or John shopped for 4 hours. Now, this for, and the for as in the number 4, sound the same. For, the same, but they are spelled different. So, John shopped for 4 hours. This is a duration of time. So we use in, on, from, to, and for. Pop quiz. Can you answer these correctly? Pause the video. Stop the video. Pause the video and see if you can answer these correctly. Okay, in the first example, I couldn't sleep. Beep, beep. So today I am so tired. So today I am so tired. So that must mean I couldn't sleep last night. In the next example, I made a lot of money. I made a lot of money. You could put last year, Or you could say last month or even last week I made a lot of money. I made a lot of money last year. All right, next example. Jim was in Italy, beep, April, beep, May. That's right. He was in Italy from April to May. Next example. We got married on June 2nd. And the next example, we got married in June. But why? Well, we use on for specific dates. So you see how it has the specific date here? The specific date is on. And if we just use the month of June, it's in. So we use in for months and on for specific dates. So you got to be careful with these two because they're very close. All right, next one. I was a cook for 10 years. That's right, it's a duration of time, for 10 years. And lastly, I started yesterday. You could say I started yesterday. You could say I started yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, or any of those. So now you know some time words to talk about the past tense. These are going to help you very much. Have a great day.